morning, everyone. Look what I'm doing today. Today I'm going to introduce you to some of my furry family. Hello, this is Mango. Mango was rescued by Erica. Her mom gave birth to her underneath my window in the front of our home. And out of the whole gang, she was the one that kept trying to escape. She was just a teeny little thing, and all she wanted to do was run away from her family. So my daughter brought her in. Be nice. Are you telling me you don't want to be touched? So we brought her in as a little kitten. Say hello. Hello. Yeah, you want to run away? You want to run away? So as soon as I find the rest of my cats, because I do have 6 of them, so as soon as I find the rest of my family members, I will introduce them to you. Yay, Mango. Isn't she a cutie? Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come here, Mango. Come here, Mango. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello. She is such a cutie. Okay. So I'll see you in a bit. Come here, sit. Come here, sit. Sit. Do you see how tough he is? Come here, sit, 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 sit. He doesn't even sit. This is the dog that doesn't listen. I don't know what to do. Come here, Cheech. Look at my vacuum. Come here, Cheech. Come here. JJ. Come here, JJ. Come meet everyone. Come. Come here. Come here. Oh, you're so tough. Come here. That's my little Radigan. He's like not even 10 pounds. And he barks like a Doberman. Come over here. Oh, you little rat. I got you, I got you, I got you. Come on, meet everybody. Come and meet everybody. Say hi. Say hi. Give this to Mommy. Give this to Mommy. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Are you going to bark? Are you going to bark, my little rat? Hey? This is the little one that's always barking. Can you even see his eyes? Where are your eyes? Come here. Look how cute he is. Oh, my little Chi-Chi. Who's my Chi-Chi boy? So this is, my God, this is JJ, not TJ. TJ is my daughter's cat that we adopted. Oh, you're all crusty. Why are you crusty? Hey? Isn't he cute? He's behaving right now. You know why he's behaving? Because I'm not cooking. If I'd be making a cooking video, he'd be barking. Are you that tired? Show us your teeth. Look how little he is. But he's got such a big bark. So this is my little JJ, my little tough dog. Oh, look at you. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay. Give me a kiss. Kissy kiss. Okay, be a good boy. So there you go. We've got a few animals that we introduce you to. Some of them are hiding. Mama Cat, which is Mango's mom, she's hiding in the rafters of my ceiling. She's a feral cat, and she lets me feed her. She will never go out even if the door is wide open, but she will never let me love her, and that is the saddest part of having to bring in some of these cats from the outdoors. She's so scared, but she will never leave this house, that's for sure. I have another one. Her name is Persia. She's a Persian cat that was left outdoors for 3 years. The clawed front and back. You love Mommy? And we brought her in. She's slowly making us touch her. We've had her now 4 years. Mama Cat, it's 3 years now, but we still can't touch Mama Cat. We kind of just slowly pass our hand near her, but that's as far as it goes. She takes off as soon as you do that. But if you've got food in your hand, she might even come and take it out of your hand. But she'll never let you love her. But we love her anyhow. And we give her a warm place and food to eat. So this is my little Barker. Isn't he cute? Isn't he cute? Okay, so we're going to go now and see if we can find another cat for you to meet. Say hi. Say hi. Are you going to bark for Mommy? Are you going to bark? Are you going to bark? Hey, you want to play? You want to go? You want to go? You ready? Are you ready? Go get it. Go get it. Okay, guys, I'll see if I can find another cat for you. Let's go. You coming? You little pooper? You see how little he is? And he's got a bark that would scare you. You ready? You ready? Go get it. Go get it. Let's go find another one. Look who I have here. Want to show your pretty face? Want to show your pretty face? Come here. This is Jasmine. Hi, Jazzy. Hi, Jazzy. Oop, oop, oop. She has a crooked little ear. She has a little stumpy tail. This little girl was attacked by coyotes, and one of my daughter's girlfriend saved her and brought her to the vet. And then she needed a home, and she called my daughter and she said, "You want a cat?" And my daughter, this is my eldest daughter now, Amanda, she could not say no to her, and she brought home Jasmine. So here she is. She's not even looking at us anymore. Come here. There you go, you pretty little girl. Come on. I know. You want to come on my lap? You want to come on my lap? Come. That's my girl. That's my girl. Look how pretty she is. Jazzy. 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 Hi, Jazzy. Oh, you're so cute. She's a big girl. Yeah, you'd never know I had that many cats in this house. I have what you call an unfinished basement. We made it cozy for us to watch TV, and yeah, that's where my daughter works, in that corner, and there's JJ's basket. We have to block the stairs because he's always trying to run up. And yeah, that's where she does her voiceovers. And it's a perfect basement because it is really quiet down here when there's no TV on. But yeah, so because it's an unfinished basement, these cats, and half the house hasn't even been dug, completely dug. So these cats always find a place to hide. Look at me. Look at me. Jazzy. 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 Look at me. Oh, she wants to sleep. And there's my little pooper right there. Do you see him? Yeah. Hi, Chi-Chi. Are you going to get jealous? But yeah, I just wanted to introduce you to some of my furry family members, and we really, really love. There's Mango. Mango. What you doing there, girl? Don't eat the plants. Good boy. Good boy. Stay. 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 Look at Mommy. Hi, TJ. This is TJ. Look at his tail. He's got a black tail. He's got a green eye and a blue eye, but you can't tell down here in the basement. Be nice. Look at that. He's bigger than my dog. This is TJ. I've got him and his mommy, who's the opposite of him. Look how big he is. Show how handsome you are. Hello. Hi. Hi. Look how big he is. His paw's almost as big as my hand. So that's TJ. Hi, baby. Isn't he cute? JJ, leave him alone. JJ. Oh, there goes the cats. And the dog. Well, that was TJ. So we're going to find some more cats for you because they all hide. If you would come into my house, you would never know I had that many cats. This is the queen of the house. She goes wherever she wants to go. I have to keep this on my couch. Otherwise, they leave cat hair everywhere. She does whatever she wants. This is the one we brought in as a kitten. Now, her mommy is the one that I told you that stays up in the rafters. She will not come out. You see the little pooper? He's barking again. But this one here is like, this is my home, and I sit and do whatever I want, wherever I want. But look how cute she is. Hi, Mango. Hi, Mango. Why did she call you Mango? You don't look like a mango. Isn't she sweet? Little pooper. She's a little troublemaker, this one here. Her and TJ fight all day. Not TJ, sorry. Her and JJ fight all day long. Her and my dog. He wants to love on her, and she tells him, back off. Right? Right? Oh, okay, give me a kissy. Kiss, 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 kiss. This is Persia. This is the one that was living outside. Come. Was living outside in the cold. In the cold and the snow for 3 years without any nails or without any claws, this poor baby. But we made sure to get her in the house, and now she lives with us. She had longer hair, but she needed a trim this summer. So here she is, she's growing back. So isn't she beautiful? So there's that one. And I have to show you, this is what my daughters got me. What to make, what to make. I'm so excited. I never had one. And this is what I got for Christmas for my girls. I am excited. I'm going to make seitan in that. I'm going to make desserts. So I'm excited. So stay tuned for one of these recipes, guys. I don't know if you can see outside. Yeah. It's a mess out there. I let my dog out for 2 seconds on the balcony because it's covered. And he did not want to stay outside. It's so cold. It's minus 20 today. Come, Mommy. I've got some food for you. Come. 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 There she is. Isn't she gorgeous? Look how beautiful those eyes are. Mama, you want some food? That's Mama Cat. That's Mango's mommy. Well, she's everybody's mommy. The people upstairs have 2 of her babies. My sister has 3 of her babies. And she's had babies that were given away. So, yeah. She was busy out there. But we made sure to bring her. And look how fast she is because she eats well in my house. So, there you go, guys. Those are my beautiful furry family. You stinky cat. I'm introducing some of our furry friends here. Her mom gave birth to her under... Oh, don't leave. Under the window in our front yard. And my daughter brought her in because she was the one that was always trying to run away like she's doing right now. And this is not leather. This is a full leather. But I have to keep it covered because they like to claw things on my couch. My God, they all run away from me. Jeez, is that a hint? Leave me alone, they tell me. Okay, let's go find another one. So that's it, guys. So I hope you like this little video. It's just a small look into my life with my furry friends. And yeah, I'll see you soon.
For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.